Good evening. Welcome to
Family Math number 5.
Family Math number 5. Today we're going to talk about adding odd numbers. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is going to be really fun. So we're going to look at adding up. What we're going to do at the end is we're going to add up 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. I think that's what we're going to do. Maybe plus 17.
11.
If we can fit it on, we'll add up a plus 17.
15, 17, 19.
Oh, maybe we're even going to get to 19. Oh, wow. Okay, this is going to be really fun. Now, this is really hard to add up, right?
Yeah.
Nobody knows how to do that. So what do we do when we have a problem that's kind of really hard? What do we do first?
We make it simpler.
Yeah, let's look for something simpler, okay? So if we're going to try to add that up, let's just add 1. What does 1 equal?
1.
1.
That's easy.
Okay. How about 1 plus 3? What does that equal?
1 plus 3 equals 4.
Very good. How about 1 plus 3 plus 5? What does that equal?
9.
9. Okay. You ready for the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How about 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7? Well, we know 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9, so 9 plus 7 is?
16.
16. Sounded like a duck just made a noise in our video, didn't it? Okay, now how about 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, which is going to be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, which we just found out was 16, plus 9 is?
25.
25. And so now we have an interesting little pattern. When we had 1 number, we got 1. When we had 2 numbers, we got 4. When we had 3, the first 3 odd numbers, we got 9. When we had the first 4 odd numbers, we got 16. When we had the first 5 odd numbers, we got 25. So we have a pattern that goes 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What does that pattern look like? Does that remind you of anything?
No.
No?
No, not really.
1, 4, 9, 16, 25. No? Well, let's look for the next one. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, which is 25 plus 11, which is
36.
36. Are these special numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36? Anything special about them?
Well, even, odd, odd, even, odd, even, odd.
Okay,
even.
they go odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Anything else? I think there's something really special about these numbers. You recognize 25, for example?
These are all perfect squares.
Oh, they're all perfect squares. This is 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times 6. Whoa!
Next one's probably going to be 49.
Next one's probably going to be 49. That's really interesting. So when we add up odd numbers, we get perfect squares. Whoa! I wonder if there's a way to think about that more than just adding up numbers. You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, luckily, we have some Duplo blocks. 1 Duplo block. Is that a square?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now we're going to try to add 3 Duplo blocks on here. Oh, we got one that has a little thing sticking out. Let me switch to a different color. Sorry about that. How about these ones? 3 of these. Okay. Now, can you arrange these to make a square that has a 2 on each side?
2 on each.
2 squares on each side? A big square that has 2 squares on each side. Yeah, very good. Hey, so that's 1 plus 3. 1 orange one plus 3 green ones. And that equals 2 times 2 because there's 4 squares here, right?
Yep.
Huh, interesting. Now let's see if we can add 5 on to make a new square. You want to give it a try? So we thought this should equal 9, 1 plus 3 plus 5. Hey, look at this. That equals 9, which is a 3 by 3 square.
It just sort of looks like a ripple coming out.
It does kind of look like a ripple coming out. And now, here, help me put these on the outside. This is adding on 7 now. And we get 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is what? Can I put it down here in the corner? Make it a little easier to build?
Yeah, that's
okay. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7
16.
makes a 4 by 4 square. Holy moly. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think is going to happen when we add on 9 green blocks?
5 by 5.
5 by 5 perfect square. Oh, wow. Can you believe that? Should we try to add on 11 now?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, here's 11. Help me put them together.
It's gonna help. It's gonna make a 6 by 6 square.
It's gonna make a 6 by 6 square. So isn't this amazing how you can have just adding up numbers and you can get these really pretty geometric patterns?
Woo.
1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6 by 6 square. So that means how many blocks are there?
36.
36. What do we have to add on now?
11.
Oh, I think we just added on 11. 13. 13. All right, here. Put 13 on. Whoa, 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 whoa. As fast as we can. Can't catch me. What? It worked again. Holy moly. Can you believe
nice
this?
Pattern.
Okay, that's plus 13. That gives us a 7 by 7 square. Now we're going to add on 15. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here, break them up. 15. Oh, are we going to be out of room? Are we not going to be able to do any more?
Where?
When we add on 15, how many blocks do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have an 8 by 8 square.
64 blocks.
Should we try to do 17?
This is the number of squares on a chessboard.
It is the number of squares on a chessboard. Here, give me the 17 yellow ones. Let's see if we can do this across the top. Oh, no! Okay, break them up. We're going to add on 17. This is the number we were going to try to add up before, but it was too hard. Okay. Make sure you balance them really tricky to balance them across the top. Okay. So when we add on 17, 1 plus 3 plus 5. Are we missing some? Oh, you still have 2 in your hand. Okay, there. And the last one goes down here. Okay, so we have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. That gives us what?
It's a 9 by 9, 81 squares.
So there's 81 Duplo blocks here. Whoa.
Wow.
And if you really want to go crazy, you can try to do 10 by 10, but we won't do that now.
That's 100.
But it would be 100. So when you add up the first 10 odd integers, you get 100. And if you add up the first 20 odd integers, you'd get 400. And if you add up the first 50 odd integers, you'd get 50 times 50, but we don't have that many Duplo blocks.
It's 2,500.
It would be 2,500, but we don't have that many blocks.
Wow.
Okay, was that fun?
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
I have that many Lego blocks.
Sometimes, you probably do. Sometimes it's really amazing how